Namaste. Welcome to Double Meter Company. आज chill रखेंगे. No excitement. No, I'm kidding. आज Among Us खेल रहे हैं. Today we are again another sponsored video, guys. New Horizons. Best engineering college outside of Bangalore.
कितना sponsor करते हैं तुम लोग?
Bangalore. Tell it. Otherwise, I'll make everyone disconnect.
No, they're nice. They're my friends also now. You shut up. Today we have Shashank Yamani. Today we have everyone's video on, by the way, except Saloni. Saloni does not. Saloni is a star guest player.
नहीं, एक मिनट रुकने.
Except
I'm
her,
trying
we
to
have,
connect it with my laptop.
Okay, done.
Saloni is on. Saloni is on video, guys. My God, Mohit is muted, by the way. Mohit, you're muted from that time. For 5 minutes.
I think that is so long.
You gotta be shitting me. I was auto-tuning and everything.
Somebody make a room.
Sucks.
Hey,
we
Kamasi,
have-
just create a room, da. तू create कर.
You all will come out to the room with me.
Yeah, boy.
Bindya, join. Gamer Bindya.
It's not
Gamer.
letting me join. It's saying disconnected from server.
Gamer.
It's Asia, so try bro.
Asia only. Send the code in the chat box.
I sent.
Hey, सबको स्कीम बता दे.
Q F A J W Q.
Lemeo.
Bro,
वो डाल दिया.
caps में.
Hey, she got a new phone.
I always had an iPhone 11.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
Oh, you shut up.
अरे फ्लेक्स हो गया बाप रे. चैनल बंद कर देते हैं. स्ट्रीम करने की जरूरत नहीं है. I always had an iPhone.
Note 4. Dropped it.
ये iPhone बेचता.
MI Note 4 and then she dropped it and then she got an iPhone 11.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
चैट बोल रहा है आरसीबी ओपी. गाइस आज आरसीबी का मैच है, ठीक है?
RCB का मैच है.
आज
Bro,
तो जीत रहे. भैंचोद आज नहीं जीते ना. अरे यार डिप्रेस हो जाएगा.
We'll just change it. If RCB lose, we'll make it a charity live stream. Simple.
Oh yeah, cool.
All money will be used to buy tissue papers for RCB fans.
हाँ, maybe that.
And
Wait,
Burger.
no,
Maybe
it depends what they use it for. There's two ways you can go for it.
Oh. Of course.
Clearly, he's
Interesting.
been using the second.
You want to elaborate or should I?
No, I want to see how you elaborate. Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
One is to
No,
wipe
go for
tears.
it. I want
I'll tell. One is to wipe tears and another one is to wipe the kajal.
क्या बात है अजत, क्या बात है.
are we playing without her?
Let her keep trying.
Try once.
Okay,
Keep
last
trying,
time.
keep
Okay,
trying.
you guys can watch
No
me
last time
try.
at all. Keep trying.
Bro, Bindya, I think you're sitting in wrong Vastu. Turn the other side and.
Oh yeah.
Imagine
Is it
getting
Asia
the wrong
server?
code all this time.
Oh, is it because I'm sitting in the wrong side? Oh,
Yeah, definitely.
That makes no sense. Who told her that?
अबे कौन बोला है? Wait, is the code right?
oh my God, guys! I turned it
Oh, she's
actually.
here.
What?
She's here.
I told you, bro. Vastu.
Charlie, guys,
bro. Fucking Vastu.
Let's go.
Why are you on auto tune?
Why not?
Okay, guys, shut up. Mukund, give a speech, Mukund.
I
Mukund,
just
sing
want
some
to
song.
say.
Mukund, your camera's off.
Hi.
Oh, you want my camera on? I don't know why you want to see my face.
Yeah, I want your camera on.
Shut up, man.
See me in black and white.
Wanna hold a hand, make my God. Light up, Skechers. Light up my world. I will just get it on. Wanna hold a hand, make my girl. Light up, Skechers. Light up my world. I like you, Skechers. You like me, my Gucci.
अबे बस copyright हो
shoes.
गया.
I'll buy you the person. Give you, show me your move. Shut up, India, please.
I like your.
Why you both kissing, Sachin and Mukund?
Stop singing.
I saw Sachin and Mukund kiss.
India, you can tell that in the discussion, please, not here.
In the admin room, they were kissing.
What if we made out in the admin?
Yeah, you did. Guys.
Wow, everything is closed.
Okay, Yajit and I were.
Everything is closed.
Mukund.
Cafeteria.
Oh lord.
Where is
Cafeteria?
cafeteria? Center.
The cafeteria.
Cafeteria near the top right.
इधर कोई मिशन था क्या? ए लौड़े. It's pussy. I mean light green. You sure?
No.
Light.
Listen, Pussy was with me. She was with me.
Yeah, it was me.
Yeah, Bindya was with me. I can't. Yeah.
No, Bindi
No,
was with me.
Savage Times is saying. Yeah, Kushi closed the door.
Exactly, and I
Savage
saw
Times is
Sachin
saying.
and Mukund kiss as well. So like, it was not me. I think it's Ayush.
She could have killed me if she was with me. It was not her.
Yajit also, we both were stuck in the.
Yeah, we both were stuck in the thing. You could have killed.
Savage Times when I wanted to enter
ये
this.
ऑटो कौन चला रहा है?
So wait, who's watching for whom again? It's not Bindya. It's not.
Okay, see,
Yajat.
I know it's not this lady, Phoebe, and I think she can vouch for me because I was doing asteroids, and I think she saw me doing asteroids.
She was.
He was.
Okay. So who?
I think Ayush.
Bro, I was on the fucking right side and I came down, went till electrical for the
Nickelodeon?
light thing.
अबे क्या? I was doing my task. I literally came to communications episode. No.
Bro,
Communication में task है.
It might be.
I got communication.
bro, what if it's just Savage Times?
It's no. Savage Time did his task. I literally, you have that task, no, where you have to throw the dust
I'm just voting for
down
Ayush.
for something. You just put that down. I saw him
Bro, I
do that.
already told you I did the fixing the electric light thing on the top right. I only done half this thing though yet. That's kind of sad. If I can stand in the upper engine and
What are
see
you
it
voting
close.
for? Are we skipping?
I'm working on. We can skip or Savage. I just feel like Savage Time because you're simply blaming.
Hey,
but
no, dude, it's not Savage Time. I literally saw him
then
do the
skip, bro.
task.
Then skip. That's all. Skip.
I'm skipping.
I'm still sussing on Savage Times though. And Nickelodeon is also watching for Savage Time. No? Just sus, bro. Let's sus. Sussing is fun. So
Why
Shashank
did
is clear because he did asteroid. No.
Yup.
मुझे क्यों वोट किया? पूरा ऐसा
Oh, it's
लगा.
not Yajit or Savage.
ऐसा लगा bro, it seems.
ऐसा लगा ये मौसम की बारिश.
Please stop.
बारिश
Please stop.
पानी पानी की.
If everybody goes to the top right of admin, they can see my stick figure crying. Thank you for listening to my TED.
I'm using my TED talk lama.
Why is his body there?
Why is everything buried? Okay, where should I go?
Okay, blue and white. Yeah.
When are you free tomorrow?
I'll call you back. Bye.
Bruh. Bindya, bro. Oof.
Yeah. What?
Can't
Who
play
is
a
this?
game also.
Nemani.
Sorry.
Nimani, why are you talking? Shashank, don't disturb me.
What?
What are you doing there, Nemani?
Download?
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Fan mara hai.
What?
Aloo puri.
I know who it is.
I think I know who it is.
Who is this?
पहले
कौन
बता.
Bro, Yajat, come on, bro.
बता
Who is
बता.
it? It's Phoebe.
Did you see her?
I was not.
No, Phoebe was.
You saw me kill. Really? Did you see me kill? I was not there.
Bro, I saw
I
you
was coming
pass the
down from security. I was not passing the body. I was going out. Dude, if you saw me, then
Where
tell.
was
Simply
the
don't
body?
tell.
किधर था?
I saw orange. I don't know who it was.
Arey, where was the
No, but I
body?
saw orange past the body. Where I reported the
That's
body.
it. Where
Where
was the body? Where was the body?
It was below reactor, like electric hallway के सामने नीचे एकदम नीचे. Reactor के एकदम नीचे.
Electrical से निकल के left. Right, I mean right. निकल के right.
It could be a vent kill also like that. I was actually finished my task there, like lining up, and I was going out.
Okay, fine.
I think it's Yajat. I'll tell you why.
Aloni looks like she's gonna cry. Look
So,
at that.
so I'll tell you why it's Yajat because
Okay.
Green Pussy was unmuted and as soon as she got killed, she gasped for a second and at that very moment Yajat reported the body. It cannot be very quick. I mean, like it was too quick. So I think Yajat self-reported.
I
हो सकता है.
reported Aloo Puri in my defense and not Bindya.
See,
You guys vote me, you guys lose. I don't know. I'm not the imposter this
okay,
time.
fine.
No, we don't lose. We have 2 other people that we can.
You guys
Okay, bro. We'll.
I cursed
Are we
you
skipping?
luckily.
No, I voted for Yajat.
Are we skipping?
I have a
Are
gut
we?
feeling it's Yajat.
Are we voting him out or what?
Yeah, I am voting out Yajat. Yeah.
Nimani, अगर तू हुआ तो no, but who was for Nimani?
Saloni did. Even Green
What?
Pussy was
You did
there.
asteroid? No, okay,
Yeah.
cool. Fine, then let's just take out Yajat then.
It did the task in front of me, so it's good.
I skipped off.
GG guys, GG.
Wait, what?
When did light?
Anyone stays near a train, huh? Anyone have a train near the house?
Something.
Oh, yeah, my
Someone
Bro,
house.
metro
Yeah,
होएगा bro, metro होएगा bro.
हाँ, train, metro, जो भी है.
Yeah, the
Metro
train
होएगा
was
bro,
from my
metro.
house.
अरे मेट्रो भोपू थोड़ी बजाएगा.
Yeah.
Bro, ये नया इंडिया है bro. ये नया इंडिया है.
Digital India 2020, boys.
ये घर में घुस के बोबू बजाता है.
Whoa. Damn. I'm trapped in the lower engine.
Fat.
Oh, it's open. Oh. Okay, what is this? Okay. Ooh, I know.
Bro, Sachin, bro, it's Sachin. Bro, it's Sachin.
No,
He just killed in front of me.
I saw
In front
Ayush.
of me,
No, it is
killed
Ayush.
me.
It is Ayush.
Bro, it's an electrical. Me, Savage and
Ayush.
Sachin. I walk in.
I
Savage
saw
stands का body
you.
टूटता है and Sachin
I-
just comes down.
No, it is Ayush. It is Ayush. I saw you.
Bro, I literally entered electrical.
Ayush,
ये
it is
light
Ayush.
का करने के लिए
Come on.
Sachin and Savage are
It is
standing over there. I'm
Ayush.
at the gate and
I
the
was
Sachin kills
fixing
him.
the light.
हाँ, you tell
I
me.
was fixing the light. It was Ayush. I'm telling you, 100% it's Ayush. I literally saw
Bro,
him.
bro,
It's
मैं तेरे को
Ayush.
बोल रहा है bro. I'm telling you, it is
Ayush. It is Ayush.
Sachin, bro. I'm bro. You come and see me. I'm at the
Nimani
entry
and
of
Phoebe, what do you guys say?
आगे.
अबे ये दोनों झगड़ते रहेंगे तुम लोग.
Both look very convincing, but I don't know. You guys tell.
Nimani, what do you say?
I'm confused as well. I mean, what do I say?
अरे तो just
You know,
things
because
kind of-
Sachin
who do
doesn't
you
talk so much usually. Like, he doesn't defend so much. So, he's defending right now. But Ayush also looks quite convincing also.
think? हाँ तो
Ayush is
शशांक
Gujju.
बोल रहा है.
Ayush is Gujju. He
मैं
can
तेरे को-
manipulate anyone.
हाँ भाई
Bro,
हाँ,
मैं
तो
bro, मैं
शशांक को
honestly,
बोल ना, तू
bro, मैं
क्या लग
honestly
रहा है?
got, bro, like for real, I'm honest to God saying मैं electrical के entry से आया because the light shit was there. I'm at the gate, okay, at the turning, and then that, like this, like Savage, I didn't Savage times blue and the Sachin green, and उसका body ऐसा टूटता है और ऐसा body and he's like, and like Sachin on camera, like,
what I
oh,
saw.
and he comes down and he's like, oh, and he reports, and he's like, I know. ये पहले मैं बोल दिया कि इनको Sachin.
Okay.
Like, I know.
Okay,
Report you
wait,
reported.
Chill.
Okay,
Let him tell.
Okay, now, Sachin, what were the tasks that you had?
In electrical, there was fixed lights. The lights went off, so I was fixing the light along with Savage times. We both were doing simultaneously the lights thing.
Yeah, apart from
And
that.
then apart from that, there was admin. There was something with the electrical. What is that regrouping thing? What is it called? Redirecting.
Okay.
And then there was asteroids. And wait, which was the last one? I forgot.
Asteroids.
Didn't Shashank do asteroids?
Yeah,
Even I had
did.
asteroids.
Only one person gets asteroids, one person gets.
No, you can get more than one.
No,
like,
no, no,
one
you can
person
get any. Yeah.
You can get any task. Okay, it's proceeding.
I am voting.
Dude, voting time went down.
Finish your task, guys.
Yes.
Finish your task.
Ayush, bye.
What Ayush by?
I saw you.
Now I feel
got kicked out.
it's Nevani now.
Hey, excuse me.
Nimani did the asteroids, I think. If I'm not right, I don't remember. But did, yeah.
Okay.
Hey, just finish your task, guys. Just finish your task.
No I'm talking. the class monitor ghost. I'm following everyone and telling them to shut the fuck up. Whoa. Okay.
Guys, tell me when you finish the game.
Ah, Nikhil is dead.
Okay, guys.
It is not Nemani, it is not. It's
One
Phoebe. It's
second.
Phoebe. Look,
Sachin, it's Phoebe. I'll tell you why she
Phoebe.
self-reported
It is
the
Phoebe.
body.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
I was looking at it in the security cam. What the fuck? LOL.
चलो नहीं भी like भांडा फूट गया मैं निकल रही हूँ थोड़ा नहीं दिखा
This
What
sucks.
shit, Saloni? When I said it was you.
Bro, I had convinced, bro. I just forgot to. Bro, my Zoom is on a different window and my game is on a different. So I forgot to see the time to get you all to vote. Should have just got such an out. Fuck.
Yes.
GG.
Victory Royale pe let's end stream. Today was fun, guys. Thanks New Horizon for sponsoring us. We absolutely love coming outside Bangalore to see your college.
Shut
Is
the
pretty
fuck
far.
up. Shut the
Give us
fuck
free
up.
transportation, please. Placement kara do, job dila do, please. Thanks. Anyhow, bye guys. Thanks for
Signing off.
Bye.
On that note, we'll see you
Isala
guys.
Kapnam there.
Arey, maa chudi.
टाटा